Hi and welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a very important product. It is the Xbox One quickshot by Bionik. This is an outstanding product. It, number one, helps you with rubber. You could handle it way better. And this is very important for gamers because you want that true gaming experience. And if you don't want to pay for a SCUF or an Xbox One Elite controller, this is your best bet. This is only $20 attachment. It might seem a lot at first, but trust me, like control freaks cost almost as much, and those help a lot too. But this one helps out so much because it has trigger stops, grip, and it looks nice. So this is the box. You have quickshot. You have instructions, pretty simple. Then the other quickshot on top. So I already opened it. They would be right there. And yeah, so they're pretty easy to put on. This is what they look like. Very, very comfortable. Not gonna lie, I recommend getting this because it's very comfortable. Number one, helps you with your gaming experience, and it shoots a lot faster. So when you're playing FPS games or any shooting game in general, like Fortnite or anything like that, this will help you out a ton. Look at, considering, watch, so I could go all the way down or halfway down, and it'll shoot a ton faster. Especially me, I'm a Call of Duty type of player, and this will help out a lot. So yeah, this is the Xbox One version. Don't worry, PlayStation users. There's also a Xbox PS4 version. Link in the description to buy the Xbox One version is in the link in the description, and like always, this is just amazing product. Not gonna lie, this is an honest review, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and of course do subscribe for more videos just like this. See you guys in the next video.